Every day begins with a promise. The promise to come home safely. Industrial safety is not just a duty.
Rising industrial accidents cost companies millions, threaten economic growth.
It is a responsibility we all share. Accidents can happen when no safety measures are in place, and the consequences are often severe. But there is hope. With the right safety solutions, we can minimize these risks. SICK is dedicated to making workplaces safer. Our innovative technologies protect lives, enhance productivity, and save costs. Safety means everyone comes home safely at the end of the day. It means trust, health, and a safe future. SICK, your partner for innovative safety solutions.